Hey, Stukulele from Uke Mullum here. Thanks for dropping by. The theme for the September 2018 Uke Night is 90s. So today I've chosen a song by Stone Temple Pilots. It's called Interstate Love Song. I'll do a playthrough so you get an idea of the song. Then I'll break down the chords and the strumming pattern and I'll show you the very cool riff. Thank you to all our patrons for your support in the creation of these uke tutorials. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you never miss a uke tutorial. You can become a patron too if you just head over to patreon.com/Uke Mullum, where you'll find the song sheet for this song. Interstate Love Song by the Stone Temple Pilots. Oh, 1, 2, 3, go. Waiting on a Sunday afternoon for what I read between the lines, your lies. Feeling like a hand in rusted chain. Do you laugh or does it cry? Reply. Leaving on a southern train only yesterday. You lied promises of what I seem to be. Only watch the time go by. All of these things you said to me. Breathing is the hardest thing to do. With all I've said and all that's dead to you, you lied. Goodbye. Leaving on a southern train only yesterday. You lied promises of what I seem to be. Only watch the time go by. All of these things I said to you. So I'll start with the rhythm. A lot of songs in the 90s use this rhythm. So we got a down, up, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down, down. So it's a 16th rhythm. 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a 1E and a 2E and a 3E and a 4E and a... Let's talk some chords, ladies and gentlemen. We'll start with the A chord. First finger, first fret, third string, second finger, second fret, fourth string, A chord. Now to do the F sharp minor, we're just going to add our third finger to the second fret of the second string. F sharp minor. The D minor add 9. One way to think of it is, you know, your B flat shape, which is barring the bottom two strings, and then you add second finger to the second fret of the third string and the third finger to the third fret of the fourth string, becomes a movable shape. Right there it's C, there it's D, and all you have to do is take that finger away and you have a D minor add 9. This chord is called C sharp 7 suspended 4. How do we know? That's an A7, right? Move it up 1, bar it, becomes A sharp or B flat 7. Move it up 1, becomes B7, C7, C sharp 7, and now we're going to suspend the chord by doing that. So it's barring the fourth fret, and you have your third finger on the sixth fret of the fourth string. Sorry, the third string. And then we go into the C sharp shape. So we get... So altogether that section goes like this. In the verse, we have a C sharp. Now, a C sharp, if you think about it, that's a C chord, third finger, third fret, first string. And we're just going to pretend that our finger is the nut and plonk it there and put your pinky so that there's two frets in between your bar and your pinky. So that's a C sharp. If you were to continue up the neck, you'd have D, E flat, E, F, and so you go. So it's good to know that that's a movable shape. We'd call that the C shape. C sharp. Then we have the F sharp 7 suspended 4. Let's start with our pinky down here. Pinky on the fourth fret of the first string, first finger, second fret, second string, third finger, fourth fret, third string, fourth finger, fourth fret, fourth string. And we're going to move that shape into an equally hard named chord, which is a D sharp minor 7 flat 5. Another name for that is the D sharp half diminished. So we're going from our first chord, and I'm going to take my first finger and just move it down to bar the second fret. In the process, I'll put my second finger on the third fret of the third string. D sharp minor 7 flat 5. Tricky name, not that hard a chord really. So all together that section goes like this. This is the verse pattern. That there chord is a D suspended 2. So normally a D chord is those 3 frets, so the second fret of the second, third and fourth string. And then we're just going to drop our finger from the second string. So it's now suspended 2. So I actually use these two fingers, my second and third, to play that. I really don't know why, but I do. So altogether it's the riff. This makes this song very cool. So we have our third finger. Now on the guitar they bend the string like this. you could do that if you want. When you do that, you need to bend and also hit the bottom string at the same time. So you're on fret 2, string 2, and you're doing a half tone bend. So you want to bend up to that note, which is your G. You could do it that way. I'm a bit inconsistent with my bends, so I'm just going to slide up. So I slide from 2 to 3 and pluck both the bottom strings at the same time. Then slide back. And then open. And then we're landing on fret 2, string 3 with my second finger. So I'm using my third finger for the initial part of the riff. And then we come back to 1, 2, 1, 2, and then open string on the 2. So altogether that's on string 3, open, string 2, open string 1, and then you play the A chord. That's the first bit, and then there's this great little movement which is from your A chord, we're going to move our first finger to the second fret, and our third finger goes to the 4th fret of the 4th string, which is the D6-9 chord. And then we're going to move up 2 more frets with the same shape and add our middle finger to the 5th fret of the 2nd string, which is an A chord. So altogether, the night is Uke night is Thursday 27th of September at 7 p.m. If you can't make it in person, you can tune in to the YouTube channel and watch it streamed live. Thanks so much for joining in, and I'll see you next time.
There's a swirl in the sun and a swirl in the sky. There's a smile on the face of everybody passing by.